Welcome back. Coherent and incoherent addition of waves. Before entering into the real content, let me give you the wave equation. Imagine a water surface, and on that water surface you are constantly consider that you are constantly dropping small pebbles at frequent intervals. Imagine for every 1 second you are dropping a small pebble into that water surface. What will happen? You will be seeing that ripples will be generated as soon as the water is disturbed by that particular pebble. We'll be seeing some ripples will be generated, and that ripple which is generated will be moving towards the edges of the water surface. And if you look over the surface, and if you just make the surface of as your level of contact, and if you look over the surface something seems to be like this. So this is considered to be a transverse wave. A transverse wave contains a crest and a trough. One complete crest and trough is called one wave. So like this I have drawn here two waves, two crests and two troughs. The maximum displacement of the crest or trough from the mean or mean point is called amplitude. The maximum displacement of your crest or trough from the mean point is called amplitude. And a wave will be having a phase angle. The phase angle can be defined as, here we will be having the phase to be 0. At this point the phase will be pi by 2. Again at this point we will be having the phase to be pi. At this point we will be having the phase as 3 pi by 2. And here we will be having the phase as 2 pi. So for a complete wave, the phase angle is 2 pi or 360 degrees. Again you can say 2 pi, it starts with 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. So for a complete wave we will be having the phase angle to be 2 pi. Now the displacement of the wave along the y-axis, you consider this as x-axis and this as y-axis. The displacement of the wave along the y-axis is simply written as y is equals to a sine omega t. A is amplitude and omega is nothing but the angular frequency and the time. So this is how we will be representing a wave equation. Thank you.